Here we go! Whoa!
We'll meet in the edge of the forbidden forest. We'll have to round up the scouts before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. That's enough for today.
Hey, friends! Whoa, here we go! Ah! Nice!
Galloping toilets! Arthur warned me about those bikes, but I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the forbidden forest. Just hang on! Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, looks like you've lost power. I've got him. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry. Never was great shakes at magic.
Oh, man. Reparo.
Oh, Craigie, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat. Lumos Solen after me. Lumos Solen.
Whoa!
That was close. Oh, you found my screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Hit those purple buttons.
Punch it!
Hold on. Dragon Fire's got a kick.
And that's that.
Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn.
Fun.
And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see Bitsy,
Merlin's beard.
and unicorns.
Alright, fun ride,
I'd be
everyone.
grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson.
We have a little bit of a backup at the end. There's a unicorn. Look at this ride. Merlin's beard.